This is how we never struggle with no call, no shows in our moving company. We have 2 rounds of group interviewing every single week. We never miss. We always book candidates to come into our office, and we do it in groups. Now, what we do is we're not always necessarily hiring for a full-time role. So we have our main roster, and then we have a call list. So we have 2 different lists, and the main roster, it has all of our movers and crew leads ranked by priority and scheduling. It's only shared between the leadership team members in the company. And then our call list also is ranked in priority, but it also has the guy's phone number, what town he lives in, and then if they've been on jobs or not with us before. So every time we interview, what we do is we're either adding people to the call list or we're moving them up to the roster. So if somebody really wows us in the interview round, then we may just go ahead and put them on a working interview. So the first 2 jobs that a guy goes on are always working interviews. They get paid, they're in uniform, but it's still a tryout period. And so this has been an effective strategy for us because we're never stopping looking for people. And if somebody no call, no shows, we have this big call list that we're building and just constantly growing. And what it does is it gives a guy an opportunity to show us their work ethic, and then they can work themselves into the main roster. So that's what we do in our moving company with no call, no shows.